Ever wondered how to get the best results from your pressure washing project? Start with selecting the right pressure washer. The right tool for the right job, that's the key. If you're working with delicate surfaces like wood or brick, a lower pressure setting is a must to prevent damage. Additionally, pressure washers aren't just for cleaning exteriors, they're also handy for clearing clogs and fixing malfunctions. The right pressure washer can make a world of difference in your cleaning project. Before going all in, always test a small area first. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, it's quite simple. Testing a small section before a full-blown pressure wash helps ensure that the pressure and cleaning solution aren't causing any harm to the surface. It's like a dress rehearsal before the main event, giving you a sneak peek into how the rest of the process will unfold. Now let's talk cleaning solutions. One size doesn't fit all here. Different surfaces require different cleaning solutions. For instance, the solution you use for concrete might not necessarily be the best for wood. The key is to use a cleaning solution that's tailor-made for the surface you're cleaning. This not only helps in effective cleaning but also prolongs the life of the surface. Remember, a small test can save you from a big mess, and using the right cleaning solution will make your job easier and more effective. Now that you're prepared, let's dive into the art of pressure washing. One of the key techniques in pressure washing is to start from the top and work your way down when cleaning the exterior of a building. This approach prevents streaking and allows the cleaning solution to effectively run off the surface. The advantages of using a wide spray pattern can't be overstated. It not only helps you cover a larger surface area more quickly, but also minimizes the risk of damaging the surface you are cleaning. It's a win-win situation, really. Now let's talk about safety and effectiveness. It's important to maintain a safe distance while pressure washing. Aim to hold the pressure washer nozzle at least 12 inches away from the surface you're cleaning. Too close, and you risk damaging the surface. Too far, and your cleaning might not be as effective as you'd like. Once you've given the area a thorough wash, remember to rinse it well. Ensuring you remove any remaining cleaning solution is crucial to prevent any potential damage or discoloration. Last but definitely not least, let's not forget about your plants and landscaping. Cover them up before you start pressure washing to protect them from the high-pressure water and cleaning solution. With these tips in mind, you can ensure your pressure washing project is successful and leaves your home looking its best. Happy washing! Doing it yourself may seem like a daunting task, and that's where we come in. For professional power washing services, contact Jabez Power Washing. We're committed to providing top-notch pressure washing services that will leave your home looking better than ever. Our team of experts is trained to handle all kinds of surfaces, and we use the finest cleaning solutions to ensure a thorough and safe clean. You can reach us at 404-964-2243. Give your home the clean it deserves with Jabez Power Washing. We're here to help you make pressure washing a breeze.